Hello and welcome to this Sway lesson. This sample session will go over information on how to start from a topic. The different information included in this presentation will include information on how to access the Sway online program, welcome to the Sway screen, and start from a topic option. As you log into Office 365, you have the option to log into Sway. Once you've selected Sway, this is the Sway home screen. Notice on the left you have Create a new presentation, Start from a topic, and Start from a document. We will go over the option Start from a topic. Now notice at the top it says Enter a topic and we'll help you get started. If we were going to do something on the various presidents and we wanted to select the president, Sway would create a presentation slide system for you. So for example, if we wanted to select Jimmy Carter, we would type in Jimmy Carter and press Create Outline. Now, as it does that, notice it takes just a moment and it creates the presentation for you. Notice Jimmy Carter's name is placed into one of the text cards, and it slowly starts under the Wikipedia system, bringing up images that they have from their database. Notice here's the picture of the president, Jimmy Carter, and we would select going down early life, naval career, and notice I can either be pressing the arrows down or I can be using my mouse to scroll to the bottom. Farming, early political career, when he was the governor of Georgia, presidential campaign in 1976, and etc. Now notice that on the text cards, they have information that was entered from the Wikipedia system and created for the user that created this way. Now, how would we start it? You simply go to the top of the screen and then you go to the top right where it says play, press play, and it begins the presentation. Off to your right on the corner, there is an option where you can navigate. On this option, if I press the space bar, it'll automatically take me to one of the presentation modes. Now remember, after going over all the topics, it's going over the images, and this is one of the ways that it sets up all the information that's been displayed by Sway. If this presentation doesn't work for the way you plan to utilize this information in the classroom, you can also go to the top right top of your screen. There is a gear. When you press that gear, notice it says autoplay. It can continuously loop, or you can change the layout. This is the default layout. I can click on that and notice it gives me a different option. This one has the options with an arrow to the right and left. If I click on to the right, it slides my presentations to the right. The good thing is this information provides an excellent outline for the students, as they won't have to research and type in the information as Sway does this for you. Of course, you as the teacher, you would want to go in, make sure you type in the information. For example, this is on one of the presidents, and you'd want to make sure that this information is relevant, that the images are correct, and you might want to also tell them that these are the references, and these are the references that Wikipedia has included for this presentation. Now, not only do you have these options after you've created the presentation, you can also go to the option again at the top right where it has the option to either edit or you have the option to share. Edit would allow you to go back to where we were at the beginning, and we could type in whatever information and add information. This is perfect for when you're doing a presentation in the classroom and you'd like this information to be shown to the class, kind of as an outline. Now, you also have the option to press share. If you press share, notice it gives you the options to this one by default. It's those in the organization. This is here with our school district, or you can change the option for anyone that has a link. You also have to invite people. Notice it's under the view option, meaning if you send this link to anybody, they would only be able to view it. If I change the radio button to edit, you could copy this, email it, and they would have the option to actually edit this way. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and close the information and it saves the sway for you. How do we do that? Well, we can scroll all the way to the bottom, and when you're at your main home screen, all sways comes out at the right bottom. When you click on that, this guarantees you, and it'll take you back to the first screen that says welcome to sway, and notice all the sways that you've created come out here on the screen. Now, if this was a presentation that you did not want to utilize, you can go ahead and press on these three dots, and it gives you the option to either play it, you can share the link, you can copy it, or you can delete it. This would trash it. So if I wanted to trash it, I'd press trash and then say yes, delete, and now it's gone. Again, the option, I would press the three dots. I could press delete from the trash. It'll give me an option, yes, are you sure you want to delete it? You press it and then it's gone. And then these are previously created options that I had created. One here on Jimmy Carter that I had done previously, and another one on another president for Gerald Ford. I hope the information provided in this sway presentation explains all the details that you would be able to use in creating different topics and different simple presentations in the classroom. Thank you very much.